All of our children deserve the best education. Unfortunately, many children in this classroom experience inequality which remains ever present in education systems all across Europe. These inequalities, issuing from complex dynamics between contextual and individual factors that develop over time, result in fewer opportunities throughout their lives. When these children grow up, statistically, they will not have the same life chances as their classmates. Educational inequalities will make it harder for disadvantaged children to find a good job, affecting their social standing and even lowering their life expectancy. To promote equality in education, teams of researchers and academics from the project Pioneered provide critical knowledge to help design programs and pioneering practices that address these inequalities. By linking practice research with statistical analyses and policy research, Pioneered targets the underlying causes that lead to educational disadvantages. Pioneered considers the diverse factors that shape a person's educational opportunities, from early childhood education to tertiary education and adult learning. It investigates the links between formal educational settings, such as school settings, non-formal educational settings, such as daycare facilities, and informal educational settings, such as families or peer groups. The Pioneered researchers focus on how various forms of discrimination and exclusion intersect. For example, how these affect ethnic minority working class boys in particular. Most importantly, Pioneered wants to hear the voices of different actors in educational settings to improve the situation of people who experience inequalities firsthand. These efforts will support the advancement of effective and efficient practices to reverse inequalities, increase access to quality education for disadvantaged groups, and improve key competencies necessary for active, engaged, and global citizens. By reducing the impact of social and educational disadvantages, Pioneered results can be the starting point to creating an equal educational system for people from all walks of life. Pioneered, tackling educational inequalities by transforming education policy.